Christmas is. Soon as I want to say you caught me.
Stay low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel, All Things Trees. Today I'll be decorating my 7.5 foot Christmas tree for the holiday season 2021. We finally made it. A new year will be approaching soon. I'm so excited to see what it has in store for all of us. If you're interested, continue to watch. This tree dedicated to my aunt who recently passed. Her favorite color was purple, so I wanted to dedicate this tree to her and add a little bit of color to my tree this year. If you're interested, continue to watch. Again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't want all that for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents. I do. I actually care about the presents. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is. Who wrote my song? Oh my God, it has to be Jalen. Hello? Mariah Carey, and as soon as I want to say you caught me.
So wait, would you like to call me back or?
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kissed me now, I know you fooled me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the
Underneath my Christmas tree, I'll be waiting here. Whoa, my legs!
Yourself, a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Oh my golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
I wanna love you, the way that you love me. Oh, now that you know, every day I go on.
holidays is now gonna be a familiar feeling, unfortunately. Because I'm not going to be using rose gold this year, I'm going to be using purple instead in memory of my aunt who passed this year. So we're going to be doing silver, gold, white, and purple. I'm going to start putting these gold, white, silver ornaments on the tree.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The prettiest sight to see is the holly wreath on your home front door.
Someone broke my heart. Get it? Broke my heart. I actually have some bulbs. Didn't come with anything, so I have to use the ornament hooks. Bulbs I'm going to use. Okay, I want this to fall and break. I didn't realize I had this angel. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. Oh. So I think we're going to leave the glass ones for last because what the hell? Yeah, we're gonna leave that for last. Let's sweep this up now.
So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
I'm just about to have glitter everywhere. So I'm gonna do. I was hoping it stays. Just gonna start putting it everywhere. Purple all around. Like I mentioned, this purple is dedicated to my aunt who passed. Her favorite color is purple. So I said, why not incorporate some purple into the tree this year? To show love to one of my favorite girls.
Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what's your favorite part, and subscribe to my channel.
Better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town, Santa Claus is coming to town, Santa Claus is coming.
And ribbon to fill in any spaces. Oh, I forgot. I also have these two. These are cigarette boxes that were turned into ornaments from when my mom and them were younger. So I took these this year to put two so I could have memories of, like, you know, my mom's childhood, my aunt, my grandfather, and my nene. So a little bit of home. We'll hook these on here, random places. Just want to see what it looks like right now. Then we'll go put the snowflakes in and then put everything else in. I have a few of these.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up the wild. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time, jingle bells time. Dancing and prancing, jingle bells swear. In the frosty air.
I have two 6-inch stencils.
It's officially Christmas, and I'm officially yours.
Alright, I'm gonna start adding some of this ribbon. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I never really add ribbon or tinsel, so we're gonna have to figure it out. Something gotta give because right now it's not giving. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
Hope I gotta have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Focus on all of the glass bulbs, so I have to make sure I really rock them so they will not fall, because that will be tragic. So I'm gonna make sure I'm actually wrapping that around. Tell me my true love is here underneath my Christmas tree. Santa, that's what I'm used to.
Here is the final look of my Christmas tree for this year 2021. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, a comment, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool. What's high to fall is when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood.